So guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel again. My name is Reza Tutor. Today in this video, I would like to make some tutorial again. Everything about tutorial and tutorial. Yes, I am from 11 TKG. It's about network engineer of course. And in this video, I would like to explain it about Lab 8 AGLP summarization. So, when you guys ask me what the meaning of AGLP summarization, I will explain it to you guys first, and then after I explain, I will show the configuration of the command. AGLP summarization. AGLP, you guys know, is enhanced interior gateway routing protocol. Support route summarization, which means combining multiple networks into a single summarized purpose to reduce the size of the routing table, save bandwidth, and make the network more scalable. How it works? How it agent summarization works? Instead of advertising every subnet individually, AGRP can advertise one summary address that represents a group of subnet types. Manual summarization. You configure a summary route manually on an interface. Then I will give the explain it again for the configuration here. In Tutor 3, we just write interface Ethernet 060, and when I already enter, we just write IP summary address AGRP10 333 255 155 and until .0. This summarizes multiple /24 network into /22. Auto summarization, older version, AGIP call automatically summarize at classified bundles. But in modern network, auto summarization is usually disabled because it can cause routing issues with discounted ghost network. The benefit of AGIP summarization is smaller routing table, less CPU memorized usage, and faster convergence. After you enter the command, the IP summary address AGLP10, and then when you see and in router 1 ensure can ping 333.3.17.33. Then sorry guys, we just go to show IP route first. Then there is the routing table 222, 33, and 23. Then just ensure can ping 3.3.17 and .33. And then the next, I will like to explain it about delivery modes. Wait guys. Before we go to lab 9, AGRP Unicast update, we just go to delivery modes first. What the meaning of delivery modes? Delivery modes. This refers to how AGRP delivery routing update to the network. The first is Unicast, place A, B, C address. Then the benefit is support IP4, 1 to 1, 1 to all. The unicast is 1 to 1, the broadcast is 1 to all. Then multicast is 1 to many, and then not support by IPv4 is anycast, 1 to any. What the meaning of 1 to 1, 1 to all, 1 to many, 1 to any? Unicast or 1 to 1 AGRP can send certain control packets like query replies directly to one network. Get it? And then multicast or one-to-many, most the time most the time AGRP uses multicast address 224.10.10.0.0.10 to send update to all networks simultaneously. When broadcast, this from one router give the multicast give the address send the address to all of the router. Not when you use the broadcast can give to all, not specific. But the multicast can send specific you want, but with a many client. The anycast one to any, like the name is anycast. He get when you see when people see the router just give to one, send to one client, but the in ARL or in real life, the package will send to another client, like in but cannot the see the give, and then the in short or AGRP delivery modes uses multicast for efficiency and unicast for reliability with routing protocol ensuring all updates are delivered. Then the next is we're gonna talk about the unicast update. Maybe we just explain the lab 9 first is unicast update. So unicast update. Normally the meaning of unicast update, and then we just use the same topology like before. Normally AGRP send its routing update using multicast address 224.10.0.0.10. But in some situation, AGRP will send an update using unicast instead of multicast. When does AGRP use unicast update? When a neighbor did not acknowledge or didn't know a multicast update. AGRP uses RTP or Reliable Transport Protocol. If one neighbor fails to acknowledge a multicast update, AGRP will transmit the update via unicast to that network only. A non-broadcast network like from Relay X25 or NVMe network. If multicast is not supported or not configured, AGRP must send update unicast to each neighbor. When neighbor are defined manually using neighbor command, if you configure static AGRP neighbor update are sent unicast only, not multicast. Why unicast update is important? Prevent losing a bandwidth. Instead of sending multicast again to all it unicast to just the network that missed it. Ensure reliability. Every network must retrieve the same routing information. In short, AGRP unicast update happens when a network doesn't acknowledge a multicast update on non-broadcast network, or when static network are configured. It ensures that all routes stay sounds recognizing. Maybe that is all for my video about lab 8 and lab 9. And the next video I would like to explain it again about lab 9 and lab 10. Maybe thank you for listening your attention guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.